Good afternoon, students. I am Sheikh Jani Basha, your social teacher. Today, I will explain Africa map and the African countries details. All these are the African countries. The whole part we call the African continent. The whole part we call the African continent. These are the African countries. First of all, I will explain the directions of Africa. East side. This part is the east side. East side. East side. East side. West side. West side. West side. West side. West side. North side. North side. North side. North side. North side. South side. South side. South side. South side. Northeast side. Northeast side. Northeast. Northeast. And the southeast, 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 southeast. The west side, northwest side, northwest side, northwest side, southwest side, southwest side, southwest side. These are the directions. Later I will explain the boundaries of Africa. The north side of Africa. Here, Europe continent is there. And the northeast side of Africa. Here the Asia or Asia continent is there. The Asia continent is there. And the east side of Africa. Here Arabian Sea is there. Here Arabian Sea is there. And the south side of Africa. Here Indian Ocean is there. Indian Ocean is there. And the west side, northwest side, southwest side, Atlantic Ocean is there. West side, northwest side, southwest side, Atlantic Ocean is there. And later I will explain the countries names of Africa. First of all, here the desert, Western Sahara Desert, west side of Africa, Western Sahara Desert, Mauritania country, Senegal country. Here the Gambia, here the Gambia country, here the Gambia country, here Guinea country, here the Guinea country. Next here the Liberia country, here the Liberia country, here the Liberia country, here the Liberia country, and here the Coast Ivory, here the Coast Ivory, here this side the Coast Ivory. Next here the country Sierra Leone country. Next here the small country is there. Guinea Bissau. Here the Guinea Bissau country is there. Here the Guinea Bissau country is there. And the Mali country is there. Next Burkina Faso country is there. Burkina Faso country is there. Next Algeria is there. And the Morocco country is there. All these countries are western side of Africa. Next Nigeria, here the western side Nigeria here. Next here the small country Benin country is there. Here the small country Benin country is there. Next here another small country Togo country is there. Next here Ghana country is there. Here the Ghana country is there. And the north side of Africa, Libya, Egypt, Libya here, and the Libya here the another small country Tunisia, here the Tunisia small country is there, north side Libya, Egypt, here the Egypt, north side Egypt is there. Next Nigeria, Chad. Next east side Sudan country is there. On the east side Africa, Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia. Next Somalia. Here the Somalia east side Africa, Somalia, Kenya, Uganda. And the middle side of Africa, Central African Republic, South Sudan, here the South Sudan, Democratic Republic Congo, these are the middle of the Africa. Here the another small country is there, Cameroon, the west side of Africa, Cameroon, and the Equatorial Guinea, and the here the small country west side, Gabon, here another country, Republic of Congo, here the Republic of the Congo, west side of the Africa, and the south side of the Africa. Next south side, Angola country, here the Angola country is there. Zambia is there. Here the Zambia, and Zimbabwe is there. Next Botswana country, south side of Africa, Botswana country. Namibia, here the Namibia country. Next South Africa, south side South Africa, small island, Swaziland, and the Lesotho, the islands here the Arabian Sea, and the east side of Africa. One island is the Madagascar, and the Zimbabwe, south side Zimbabwe, and the south side Mozambique, here the south side Mozambique, southeast side Mozambique, and the south side another Malawi country is there, and the east side, southeast side Tanzania country is there. Next small countries here the small Burundi country here. Burundi country is the Burundi country here. Another small country is there. Rwanda country is there. Rwanda country is there. Here these are the African countries. Once again, look at carefully. I am zooming. The west side countries, west side of African countries, and the north side of African countries, and the east side of African countries, here the Kenya, Uganda is there, east side, and the middle, South Sudan, Central African Republic, Democratic Congo. This is the middle of African countries, and the south side Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and the Swaziland, Lesotho. Those south side of Africa, these are the located. The Madagascar, the island. This is Somalia, east side, Ethiopia, east side, okay students, thank you, all the best, God bless you.